It is Ebenezer, not just radio with your mother's favorite boyfriend, and that is the Duke on radio. And tonight, I am speaking once again with Sister Nomfundo Dube. And it's maybe I should refrain from talking about being your mother's favorite boyfriend because that can come with a with a lot of illnesses. You know, if I'm your mother's favorite boyfriend, then it's possible that I might be spreading some STIs.
You never know.
You never know. Sister, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good, thank you. Tonight we're tackling a very interesting topic, and topic that many people do not want to address, and that is the issue of STIs. What is an STI?
An STI is basically a sexually transmitted infection. That's the abbreviation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a condition. Some are treatable, some are not. That is spread through sexual contact, which involves all type of sexual intercourses that we have, whether it's genital, anal, or oral.
Okay.
So yeah, those are sexually transmitted infections in a nutshell, just to brush it off before we get deep into it.
So it's genital, anal, and oral. Maybe let's break that down. Genital, that will be a penis and a vagina, right?
Yes.
Anal, it will be a penis.
Two men having sex.
Right? And then oral?
Yes. It could be any gender, but it involves one genitalia in someone's mouth.
I wanted to be sure, because now, if I go down on her, that means I could contrast STI?
Yes, you could. You can.
What? Yeah.
Angihloniphi nina nenza phela ama-eye test
bese sicabuza abantwana. Yeah.
Bese ngicabuza abantwana babantu Nkosi abangayenzanga lutho abangazi lutho bese sebayagula nabo, and you wonder ukuthi my child, what's happening kanta umalume uthe mnci.
Yes.
Esihlathini nakhona.
Oh no, man. Okay.
Yeah.
How do they spread? Yeah.
In that point, sorry to cut you. Kuleyo point, stop kissing other people's babies.
Yo?
If that child is not yours, don't kiss them. The mouth, the cheek, just don't kiss that baby, because you know where you've been and you are bringing danger unto that poor child.
Especially I'm a sexologist, so that we need to do foreplay and all that, and then we are doing those things, and I wouldn't know if we want to do nama infections there, you know. How do I protect myself? Maybe let's start there before we go to the treating and all. How do I protect myself from contracting an STI from a possible sex partner?
The basic free way is using a condom every time you have sexual intercourse with someone you don't know. Nanoma umazi, but obviously you can't confirm umuntu awuhambi naye yonke indawo. So just to protect yourself is always like using a condom. You can get them anywhere in this country. They're free. I'm a supply. So, and then just don't, or rather limit having multiple partners, especially people you've just met, because you don't know what they come with. And most of the time, us or the youngster, we just have this mentality ukuthi mara muhle ngimtesta ngamehlo uclean muhle, and you think green light, let's go. And Yeah, that's where we get trapped a lot.
I'm laughing because I've done that.
Yes, a lot of people do that. It's a thing.
I-
It's a thing.
Sikuthesta
Na
ngamehlo.
amantombazana ayayenza.
Yeah, ukuthi maronona nonile la.
Ya hayi uclean. Yabona uclean kanjani unekhathi esharp ubonakala engathi so akukhonakala ukuthi ayobe ngathi uyagulanyana and then
yes.
you go kanti
Okay, so
you are in danger.
we've spoken about how they can be transferred or spread. However, what causes it? What causes an STI, Mtwini?
What causes an STI is the presence of different bacterias most of the time, but now the main source of the bacteria is the question. Sometimes if a female, because our how we were built, our genitalia, it can contract bacteria quicker and it multiplies quicker because the environment is conducive, it's dark, it's warm. You see, so sometimes you can pick up something from the bathroom and then you transmit it to your partner through sexual intercourse, and then to them it becomes a sexually transmitted infection. Where rather, kodwa usisi yena makayithola, it wasn't sexually transmitted. We pick up it from the toilet, and then mayifika kuwe, it becomes sexually transmitted, and then it keeps on getting transferred from person to person like that through sexual intercourse or whatever. But some of them, since we oral type of transmission, then we can't say you pick that up from the toilet. Obviously, it should have a source that I'm not sure of. You see, so there are multiple ways to contract STI. There are multiple causes of them. Some they are treatable and they go away forever. Some they are not treatable, and mayingekho treatable ivuswa ukuthi mhlambe you are stressed, or mhlambe as a woman you are going through hormonal imbalances. An example for that is herpes. Herpes, ama-symptoms wakhona i-mouth ulcer. Ukuyabona uma uthe une mouth ulcer and then uthi bathini isilonda se-flu.
Isilonda somkhuhlane, yes.
I don't know. Yeah, isilonda somkhuhlane. It's not actually isilonda somkhuhlane. It's herpes. But because you have but because you have umkhuhlane and your immune system is triggered, and then it resurfaces.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, are you saying that it causes umkhuhlane, or are you saying that it shows itself especially maunomkhuhlane?
Yeah, no, I'm not saying I cause umkhuhlane, but it's always there in your system, but it's just dominant, like asithi ilele in layman's term. And then when you have umkhuhlane or some other things like stress or hormonal imbalances or any other thing engasuppressa immune system yakho, then it wakes up. Yeah, bese uba naleyo cold sore leyo.
Abantu bahamba bakhohlela nama-herpes. Okay.
Yebo. Yebo.
Then we have
abantu abaningi banayo.
Yo. Okay. So you would have herpes, and then there's e-drop. E-drop, why is it common?
E-drop, I think it's common firstly because of unprotected sex. And secondly, I think it's because a lot of men have unprotected sex, obviously, with females they've just met, they don't know. Ne? Rumor has it, Uguti, when you sleep with a woman on her period, or just as her period just ended, you will have a drop. It's something in the streets. It has not been medically proven yet, but you'll hear a lot of men saying it. You understand? sometimes njengoba bengi-explainile before ukuthi mawuyithole a woman uyithole from the toilet and then transfer kuwe and then it becomes a drop in layman's term, but drop is like a combination of different symptoms, and then now we call it male urethritis syndrome because you can't exactly tell ukuthi what kind of STI do you have, because they are different, but they have symptoms that are mostly similar. So before you are tested by blood, okay, this is gonorrhea, this is what, then we just call it male urethritis syndrome, which covers all the symptoms that you might have.
You speak about... Yeah? Can go on?
Sorry to cut you, can continue.
You speak about... we spoke about me going down in a woman, and you say it can transfer an STI. Do those STI include HIV?
Yes.
What?
Remember, HIV, it is spread through bodily fluids, right? So if, let's say, you are going down on your woman and then you have a cut on your lip, right? Obviously, down there are bodily fluid secretions from down there. And then you have a cut on your lip when I won't notice you had a cut on your lip. And then that fluid makes contact with that cut and then it's shy. Or sometimes, now she has a cut there. And obviously you won't see it. And then you do the thing, Gandhi, there's been a little bit of blood coming out of there, but you wouldn't see it because it's a small cut. Maybe it's a paper cut, a small cut. And then it's shy. Yeah. But it can't be, remember, Masiti bodily fluids, it can't be passed through batinle. Oh no, actually, I'm not sure about that information. I wanted to say you can't pass it through saliva. But
since it's a fluid,
I'm sure, yes, since it's a fluid, I'm sure there's a little bit of a chance where you can.
Gu-LO it's impossible.
Gu-LO. Mara. Kusho ukuthi phela masisho kanjalo, if ucabuza umuntu who's HIV positive, we're saying you can contract HIV. How true is that?
No, I don't think it is.
No.
Let's answer that question on our next session. Let's answer that question. I've heard ukuthi HIV is easily and it spread faster through the anal sex for the guys.
Yes.
Is it true? Yes. That is quicker.
Yes, it's true, and it's because of the type of contact that happens through anal sex. Because remember, when you are having sex with a woman and a man, there is fluids from a woman that makes it soft and not you don't have friction, too much friction, right?
Okay.
Yes. So when you have sex through the anus is tight and it doesn't secrete any fluids. So the friction is much higher there. So I'm at risk of having cuts at the back are more. So that's how that's why actually it's riskier. There's more risk of passing HIV through anal sex than
Okay. And what would you say are the other common STIs that can be spread through intercourse?
Okay, so drop ne njengoba abantu bayibiza drop, it's because ama symptoms akhona ngisho you'll have some like a discharge coming out of your penis, your urethral opening. Leyo njengoba besengishilo ukuthi it's male urethritis syndrome, but it could be any other STI like gonorrhea, candida, and stuff like that. And then we do have genital candidiasis. We do have mhlampe, what is this? The most common one is syphilis.
Yes.
Syphilis, it is very common, but most people walk around undiagnosed because it needs a bacterial confirmation ukuthi vele unayo syphilis. It is most of the time itholakala when a woman is pregnant, because that's when it is done the most. Like, it's standard procedure ukuthi every woman must get tested for syphilis, because it can cause a risk to the newborn child ukuthi abe ne-congenital syphilis, and it might lead to blindness if left untreated. We understand. So it's a common STI, but the problem is just the bacterial confirmation of it. You understand? And then another one, herpes, obviously. And then we also have amawarts. Amawarts are caused by human papilloma virus, which is a very big thing, I think nationwide, because there's now even a vaccine that's been given to young girls to prevent it, because if you have that virus, nayo, it has the capabilities of staying dormant in your system, which means it doesn't go away. And if iba triggered by sickness or whatever, then ilibele iyavuka kanjalo kanjalo, and in the later stage of life, it leads to cervical cancer. So nayo, it's not common, because now there are vaccines for it, which is good. Now, like South Africa, they do have like a campaign where they go to schools and immunize girls from during primary school, mabangakafiki high school, because it is more effective when they are not yet sexually active.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Then if I get to find out ukuthi angisekho grandy, I think I've got a drop, or I'm feeling a discomfort in my genital. What do I do,
Yeah.
and can it be treated?
Most common types of STIs can be treated, but the risk, I think, abantu take that thing too light. So you can go back, ibuya, and it doesn't cause permanent damage. It can lead to infertility in both males and females if ilibele ibuya recurrently. So it's best to visit your nearest clinic, guys. It's always free. Just go there. Ungabi namahloni. Nobody's gonna shame you for ukuthi you have a drop. Instead, you will get education ukuthi for the next time ukuthi ungabi nayo, do 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, because you'll find out ukuthi ama mistake or ama decision rather are bad ayenza ukuthi abantu sebagcine sebanama STI ama drop nani. So it's always best ukuthi when you feel anything, even if uthi uyoshaya 69 uyazi ukuthi man ngathi sekubhlungu or akusaphumi kahle, then just go to your clinic, go to your doctor. If uyanqena ukuyocure, they will also provide you with care if you explain your symptoms. And if you can afford to, then you can get tested. What type of STI do you actually have, so they know what type of bacteria they're actually dealing with, and that's done at private. But if you go to government, obviously, then it will be that syndromic management. But if it keeps on recurring, then we refer you to like especially, then they will eventually test to what's the type of STI that you have. So it's always best ungaphuzi imbiza, guys. Don't drink mbizas. Mbizas won't help you. Don't drink
imbiza phela manje usho ukuthi angisayi lapha yana ngiyothola isigubhu se2 liter.
Isigubhu lesi phela se2 liter siyakhona mhlambe ukehlisa ama-symptoms for that 2 days or 3 days, but best believe it's gonna come back. Best believe it's gonna come back. Uzobuya uze clinic uzochaza ukuthi ngile kamama bani wangipha ikofi elimnyama elinjanjani ngaphuza vele ngaba right for 3 days mara nakho after 8 days sengibuyile la. Uyayibona?
Okay. No, I get it. Is there any other thing that we're missing on the subject?
I think the country, or I don't know who, but the media needs to bring back also bodies ganjena or scrutinize.
For education.
Actually, we need things like that. Like we need word of mouth, we need TV, we need media to campaign people protecting themselves. I'm sorry about that.
No problem. Are you still there? Hello?
It's cool to protect your partner, so I think people should just take care of themselves, should just always bear in mind, this person, you don't know what they come with. So don't risk like that. You can risk with other things about like quitting your job and stuff like that. But your health, have one life. I'll see God, we're not cats. So always protect yourself and protect umuntu omthandayo. If you really truly love someone, protect them. Whether you go outside, you do whatever decision you decide to do, you're an old person, but protect your partner. It's very sad to see a woman come to the clinic as a tester, uthola ukuthi uyancelisa ngaleso sikhathi simtestela nje ukuthi uyancelisa, and then boom, she's HIV positive and she's crying tears telling you ukuthi mina angiyenzanga lutho. Ubaba kaSibusiso. Baba kaSibusiso. We understand. Baba kaSibusiso. So guys, just stay safe and protect yourself, and don't be embarrassed if you have an STI. Some people, obviously, abantu bazohlezi bakhuluma if you have something they have not heard about or not experienced, but it's not embarrassing to have an STI. Just go get help before it becomes complicated.
All right. Fam, that is Sister Nomfundo Coco Bomb Dube ethi singasaphinde sikhothe. Hey usixabanisa nabantu bethu sisters. Hey. Kuthiwa sakot. Sister, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much. Hope to.
Our lines seem to be very bad. We'll make it up to you. This is Ebenezer, not just radio.
All right.
The Bliss with the Duke. Your mother's favorite boyfriend. We'll be back right after this.